Hey guys, it's James Gill on TitaniumGeek here. Normally I tend to stay behind the camera and using the power of my typing. However, we're going to test the Tacx Flux today on our sound test. Now, one of the things I wanted to do before we actually do the regular sound test people are aware of is actually use the trainer backwards. So just seeing what sound we're getting from the gears and the cassette, because this thing is practically silent. So we're going to video first, just seeing how much mechanical noise we get, and then we'll do the regular sound tests. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so first off, going backwards. And now our regular power test.